the signs. Underwater currents, hidden fault lines. Shortage in the morning, EO at a night. Markets moving blind, but we're tracking it inside. You call it a crisis, we call it a clue. Every signal matters when it's breaking through. Ghost parts drifting in the digital sea. Counterfeit shadows, but they don't fool me. We don't guess, no, we verify truth. Ping after ping with a signal boost. When the waves get high and the data runs thin, when the lights go out and the doubt sets in, we don't drift, we don't break into. We listen for the signal breaking through. We ping through the noise when the system goes dark. Find the weak signal, strike the spark. Storms all around, but we're locked on the source. Blue water rise and we stay the course. When the world's off track and the pressure deploys, we don't panic, we make informed choice. Through the static, through the decoys, we ping through the noise. Yeah. Bomb line scrolling like a battlefield map. One bad component and the system could snap. But we see the future in life cycle trends. While others react, we're making amends. Obsolescence creeping, silent and slow, like a crack in the hole that you don't yet know. But sonar don't sleep, and neither do we. Mapping the risk beneath the sea. Not chasing hype, not moved by fear. We move by data that's crystal clear. While others sink under market ploys, we navigate deep, no shallow noise. When the waves get high and the data runs thin, when the lights go out and the doubt sets in, we don't drift, we don't break into. We listen for the signal breaking through. We ping through the noise when the system goes dark. Find the weak signal, strike the spark. Storms all around, but we're locked on the source. Blue water rise and we stay the course. When the world's off track and the pressure deploys, we don't panic, we make informed choice. Through the static, through the decoys, we ping through the noise. Under pressure, under fire, truth is what we trust, not the rumor choir. In the deep where the strong survive, signal keeps the mission alive. We ping through the noise, through the fear and alarms. Turn the unknown into actionable calm. Storms don't scare us, we're built for the void. Blue water move, precise and deployed. Through the static,